The UK High Court has determined that Prince Harry was in fact a victim of phone hacking by the Mirror Group newspapers, and they've awarded him $268,000 in damages. This comes after the court ruled that his phone was extensively hacked between 2003 and 2009. I'm going to break down exactly what this means. Over the course of a very long trial, the Duke of Sussex insisted that he had been the victim of phone hacking and that there was ways and means by which this group of newspapers had discovered information about him that could not have been obtained through any other way than the hacking of his phone. And that is a determination made by the court, with the judge finding that 15 of 33 stories could only have been obtained by virtue of hacking, and therefore his phone was hacked to a modest extent. Now, keep in mind, Harry's only one claimant, albeit the most high-profile one. There was a bunch of other claimants, including the estate of George Michael, who said similar things about the way that they were targeted. And the damage payout's a hefty one, and it recognizes the fact that Harry says that he now feels paranoia, distress, and a real sense of concern and depression because of what was done to him. This is a pretty big deal. You have to remember that Harry was the first royal in 130 years to give evidence in the witness box. He was subjected to cross-examination. He was subjected to all of the rigors that the trial process brings. And it's something quite unusual to see because it just doesn't happen every day. Now, whether this will be subject to an appeal or whether or not any and all further actions will be taken, it's at the very least a pretty substantial partial victory for him. And it goes a long way towards, I guess, him being vindicated that some of the stuff that happened to him should never have happened to him. And at the end of the day, people are entitled to their privacy, and no one should be hacking them and taking their private information, putting it out for the world to see. Doesn't matter who you are. No one's entitled to that level of intrusion into your personal life. Follow me for more legal TikTok.